Welcome back to Car Info, because today we're looking at the highly talked about 2027 Ford Model T idea and, more importantly, what Ford is actually developing under its new Model T moment. There is one important clarification before we begin. Ford has not officially announced a production vehicle called the 2027 Ford Model T. Instead, Ford has confirmed a new affordable electric vehicle program inspired by the original Model T, with the first production vehicle being a mid-size electric pickup scheduled for 2027. So, when you see futuristic 2027 Model T images online, many are digital concepts or unofficial renderings rather than an officially revealed new Model T. The reason this story is so interesting is that Ford itself is deliberately using the Model T as the inspiration for its next generation of affordable vehicles. More than a century ago, the original Model T helped make personal transportation accessible to millions because Ford focused on simplicity, affordability, adaptability, and efficient mass production. Now Ford is attempting something similar with electric vehicles. Its new universal EV platform has been engineered from the ground up to reduce complexity, lower production costs, and support multiple vehicle types. Ford says the first vehicle will be a four-door mid-size electric pickup built at the Louisville assembly plant and launched in 2027. From a design perspective, the production vehicle is expected to look nothing like the classic Model T. Instead of exposed vintage styling, running boards, and a traditional gasoline engine, the new Ford approach is centered around aerodynamic efficiency, modern proportions, and a clean sheet electric design. Ford has indicated that the upcoming pickup will have a footprint comparable to the Maverick, but it will not simply be an electric Maverick. The company says the interior will offer more passenger space than a 2025 Toyota RAV4, while still providing a practical truck bed and front storage area. The front end should therefore be one of the most interesting areas to watch. Rather than a huge conventional grille, an electric Ford built around efficiency could feature a smoother front fascia with carefully managed airflow, slim lighting elements, and a more futuristic interpretation of Ford's design language. The goal isn't just to make the vehicle look futuristic. Aerodynamics are expected to play a major role in extending driving range and improving efficiency. Recent reporting on Ford's prototypes suggests the design has been optimized for low drag, making this very different from a traditional boxy pickup. Move around to the side, and the philosophy becomes even clearer. The vehicle is expected to combine the practical footprint of a compact or mid-size pickup with much more usable cabin space. The long wheelbase and carefully packaged electric architecture could create a surprisingly spacious interior without making the vehicle enormous from the outside. This is exactly the kind of engineering advantage that an EV platform can provide, because the battery and electric motors allow Ford to rethink where components are positioned rather than simply adapting a gasoline-powered platform. At the rear, practicality should remain a major priority. The upcoming electric pickup is designed around the idea that an affordable vehicle should still be useful for everyday life, which means a functional bed, smart cargo storage, and a frunk are all important parts of the package. Ford's universal EV platform is also flexible enough to support multiple body styles in the future, meaning this first pickup could eventually become the foundation for an entire family of affordable electric vehicles. Inside the cabin, don't expect the bare-bones interior of the original Model T. Ford's modern interpretation of simplicity is much more sophisticated. The company says these affordable EVs will not simply be stripped-down vehicles. Instead, they are being designed with modern software experiences, connected technology, and over-the-air updates. That means the vehicle could become better over time as Ford adds software improvements and new features. The dashboard could therefore have a clean, modern layout with a digital instrument display, a central infotainment screen, and fewer unnecessary physical controls. Connectivity, navigation, driver assistance, and software updates are expected to be important parts of the ownership experience. Ford also says its universal EV platform is designed to support technologies such as Blue Cruise and other digital experiences. although exact equipment and availability will depend on the final production model. Performance is another area where this project becomes surprisingly exciting. Ford has stated that the first midsize electric pickup should be as quick as a Mustang EcoBoost. More recent reporting has suggested a potential 0 to 60 mph time around 4 to 5 seconds, although buyers should treat that figure as reported information rather than a final Ford specification until the company confirms the production vehicle's official numbers. That kind of acceleration would completely change expectations for an affordable electric pickup. Instead of being a slow utility vehicle designed only for efficiency, it could deliver genuinely quick performance while maintaining everyday practicality. The bigger question, however, will be range. Ford has not yet published a complete final range specification for the production pickup, so it would be misleading to promise a specific battery size or driving range at this stage. What we do know is that Ford is using prismatic lithium iron phosphate batteries for this new affordable EV strategy, with battery production planned in the United States. Charging should also be an important part of the ownership experience. Ford's new platform has been designed with affordability and efficiency in mind, but exact charging speeds and final battery specifications for the production vehicle have not yet been fully disclosed. That means the smartest way to look at this project is not as a finished 2027 Model T specification sheet, but as Ford's new approach to building electric vehicles at a much lower cost. And then we come to perhaps the biggest surprise: the price. Ford originally announced a target starting price of around $30,000 for the first mid-size electric pickup. More recent reporting says the vehicle is expected to start around $28,350 and may be called the Ford Fathom, with production and customer deliveries beginning in 2027. If that price is accurate, it could make this one of the most important affordable EV launches of the decade. The original Model T became revolutionary because Ford didn't simply build a cheaper car. It changed the way the car was designed and manufactured. Ford is attempting the same philosophy again. Its new production system reduces complexity and uses a different assembly strategy designed specifically around electric vehicles. Ford says this new approach can significantly simplify manufacturing while allowing the platform to support an entire family of vehicles. The biggest strength of this upcoming vehicle could therefore be its value proposition. Buyers may get electric performance, useful truck capability, a spacious cabin, modern software, a frunk and a truck bed, without paying the premium normally associated with large electric pickups. The potential weaknesses are just as important to consider. Final range, charging performance, towing capability, payload, interior materials, and long-term reliability are still questions that need official answers. And that is why calling it the 2027 Ford Model T can be slightly misleading. The original Model T is not simply returning with a new battery. Ford is trying to recreate the spirit of the Model T by creating a completely new generation of affordable electric vehicles. In fact, Ford executives themselves have described this program as a new Model T moment. Our review at Car Info is that this project could be far more important than a simple retro comeback. If Ford can actually deliver a practical electric pickup near the high $20,000 range with strong performance and useful interior space, it could challenge the idea that EVs have to be expensive. And if the universal EV platform eventually expands into SUVs, smaller cars, and commercial vehicles, this first truck could become the beginning of a much larger transformation. So, while there is no officially confirmed 2027 Ford Model T production car at this moment, the story behind the name is very real. Ford is taking the philosophy of the original Model T, simplicity, affordability, versatility, and manufacturing innovation, and applying it to a new generation of electric vehicles. The first result is expected to be a mid-size electric pickup arriving in 2027. And if Ford succeeds, it could become one of the company's most significant vehicles in years. What do you think about Ford's new Model T moment? Would you choose an affordable electric pickup like this over a traditional gasoline truck? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Info for more upcoming cars, future EVs, detailed reviews, and the latest automotive news.